Empower Plus is a brand new concept for Good Shepherd. It is a free community education space, really with the purpose of bridging the knowledge gap between those living with a disability or injury and the amazing technology that is out there and available for them.
Good Shepherd wanted to invest in something like Empower Plus because there was a real need. We have a history of filling needs that are unmet for the people that we serve. This space is an opportunity for them to learn about what else is out there, specifically around technology, that allows them to live life more independently. To meet our mission, we created this space to help empower people with new ideas and solutions to live a better life.
Empower Plus has several different exhibits of technology, everything from commercially available consumer products to technologies that are specifically made for the disability community. Another amazing service here we have at Good Shepherd is our 3D printing program that we have in collaboration with Moravian University. We are now able to offer 3D printed adaptive devices and tools for our patients and residents. That can be everything to help someone eat more independently, get dressed, access their smartphone. Really, we are only bound by the creativity of our clinicians and our community.
This space will enhance the lives of patients and those living with a disability because we want to provide hope, we want to provide knowledge, and we want them to come in and interact with what is currently available and then collaborate with us on creating what can be available in the future.
Anyone can walk in, they can schedule an appointment on our website. Because Empower Plus is also going to be a great resource for our community, we will be holding a variety of different events here as well. We have already hosted some about assistive technology in the education space, Healthy Living Tech Expo. Future events coming up would be teaching people about smartphone accessibilities, other smart home 101s for people living with disabilities, really a variety of different technologies to educate and empower our patients and community.